Welcome back, everyone, to my part 2 of my Form 5, Chapter 6. Now, I haven't decided yet to get any Form 6 course online. Currently, I will still be doing Form 5, Chapter 6. This is my part 2 of my video. We'll be doing combination. If you are interested to my permutation, you should refer to my part 1 of my video. You may look through for it you may through it from my YouTube channel or from my Free the Stuff for All blogspot. So the equation for combination will be N C combination R. This is a second symbol to show you. This symbol also available in your scientific calculator. So to start with the learning through equation or learning through questions, there are some facts that you need to know about NCR. So for any NCR equation, NCR is actually n factorial. I've I've briefed you through what does it mean n factorial in my first part of my video. So therefore, I'm not going through what does it mean by factorial. But here will be n minus r factorial times another n factorial. So C will be a little tedious. You want to have the equation. Now, some fact those. If you were to have 7, choose 0. Choose, I will use C as choose, it's a combination, choose 0. The answer, to your surprise, the answer would be 1. Okay, the answer would be 1. It is very similar to the factorial concept, except now you have another term, 7C7 is also equal to 1. And the third one, well, it's kind of like tricky. 7 choose 5 is actually equals to 7 choose 2. How to get it? It's actually 7 choose 7 minus 5. Okay, so this will help you to simplify your mental arithmetic. Or a general equation, NCR is equals to NC n minus R. Okay, it helps you, especially when it really helps, especially when you're performing some answer checking for some mental arithmetic question. Okay, if you're clear with that, let me go through with you. So what does it mean by a combination? Kind of notes for combination, or you say choosing. Make the small notes. Here is all about just choosing. Just choose from a bag of marbles. Just choose. Arrangement is not important. Arrangement is not important. What does it mean? It means it doesn't care. It doesn't really matter which one to be chosen from a bag of marble. Over here, we give you an example. Just to imagine, if you have a bag of marbles, you have 15. 15. 15 marbles. Out of these 15 marbles, what will be the combination, number of combination, if you were to choose 4 out of 15? So therefore, the number of combination would therefore be easily be 15 object to choose 4. The answer will be quite huge, 1365. You verify it by your calculator now. To look for a C. C is the one with divide button. You need to press on shift and press on the divide button. Or maybe other brand of calculator will have to look at the other sides, but look for the C. You need to press on the shift in the morning. Okay, that will be my first example. Let's look at second example. Combination is rather simple because they don't care about arrangement. Just choose. You are asked to choose. The keyword is choose, or any wording suggesting it's just choose. Who care? Don't care which student. Choose 3 students from 5 boys, 4 girls, meaning there are no restriction. Which girl, long hair, short hair, wearing specs, tall, short, don't care. Just choose 3 students. Okay, so therefore, you want to just choose 2 students. Therefore, the number of combination, the hash key is a short form for number here, but not used during exam. For exam, you need to spell the whole word. Do not use this symbol during exam, just for your understanding. Therefore, there will be 9 objects because of 5, 4 is 9 object. Choose 3. Therefore, the answer 84. 9, choose 3. 84. Alright. Those questions are rather straightforward actually. They just choose it without knowing, don't care which one to be chosen. Okay. Okay. Now third example, those with restriction. Interesting part. Now you're given in a room, there are a total of 5 accountants, 4 doctors, 3 engineers. Out of this 12 person in the room, you are asked to choose chose 6 into forming a committee. And the condition is you must have maybe you must have at least 3 accountants, 2 doctor, and 1 engineer. So to do that, the number of way, now I will spell this time so that you want a short form. combination. Here you have 5 candidates. You can only choose 3 based on the condition. The total number is 6 for this committee. So what you do, now you need to do it into their own category. For the category of accountant, 5 accountant, you're going to choose 3. And then for doctors, there are total of 6 persons. Okay, total 6 to form the committee. So for doctors, there are 4. So you times 4, choose 2, and then 3, choose 1. Therefore, the answer would be 180 possible numbers. Don't care who, but there are 180 possibilities. Okay. Then maybe part 2 of the video, of part 2, sorry, not video, part 2 of the question. This is, well, okay, for another condition, to me, how about another committee? I want to have at least, or maybe I want 2 doctors. At 2 doctors, I don't care about the rest. So therefore, the number of way would be doctors, there are 4. Right? Doctor, there are 4. Candidate. So to know the number of combination, 4 doctors, choose 2, and then the remaining there are total of 8 remaining, to choose 4. Okay, so that the total number 2, 4, total number is 6 in the committee. Therefore, the answer is 420. Someone might ask, why is it 8? 8 is because the sum 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. And then another example of question. Part C. Okay. How about at least? This committee now, I want it to be at least to have 3 accountants. Whoa, that would be quite long, because at least 3 accountants, then it could be 3 accountants, then could be 4 accountants, and then could be 5 accountants. That's the maximum number. So therefore, the number of way that will be counted, there are 5. Yeah. If you care to look back into the question, there are 5 accountants. 5 accountants. You have at least 3. So you do 5 counted, choose 3, remaining 7, choose 3. Yes, because 3 and 3, you get total number of 6. So this is one possibility. This is first of possibility. Or 5, choose 4 to fulfill the requirement, and then remaining 7, choose 2. Yes, very good, because total number has to be 6. Then plus another possibility, 5, choose 5, still be at least 3, because 5 more than 3, times 7, choose 1, so that it will be 6. Put in calculator, do it right, total number 462. This is the answer. Combination will be rather straightforward. So maybe you look into permutation that normally students can't do, because they require quite lots of practice and exercise. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, that's all for this part, and that's all for this chapter. If you have learned permutation already, you have confidence already to watch this video, meaning you are good at permutation. Now all you need to do is go through my video. You may pause it, rewind to the earlier minutes, and then go through about 20 to 25 questions, focus at combinations, and I'm sure that you'll be confident to proceed to the next chapter. So with that, good luck in trying. Stay tuned for my next video.